What is going on, everyone? So here we are at the NJCCIS website. We need to create accounts now. This is for licensing for New Jersey. They are requiring that all of our staff members register for an account here on this website. Now, it's possible some of you may have created an account a couple years ago. I think our supervisors were asked to create an account. I'm not sure if that was done. If not, that's okay. It's a new day. Here we are. So you can create your account today. It's fairly simple to create an account. The issue with this website is it's not easy to navigate. So I already have an account, but I'm going to show you how to create an account. On the top right of the page, you'll see create account. So push that button, create account. Complete these fields, come down here to registry roles, and then you're going to choose other professional, and then it will allow you to continue to register. Make sure you complete your profile, and once you complete your profile, you will have your account all created. And the training that you will need to do is on this website. So let me log in with my information, and I'm going to show you real quick where to go to find that training. All right, I just logged on. And on the top menu, you're going to see account. This is where your profile is in here. And this is where you're going to find your professional profile and your development and certification certifications under here. And mine are already in here from, wow, almost 5 years ago. All right, so let's get back out of this. Again, I'm just navigating through right now for you. Provider, my providers, your school should be listed. Your school site should be listed under my providers. If it's not, I need to know that. So if you can please let me know, that would be great. Registry is where you will find your courses that you will need to take. Again, a lot of you already took the PFP courses. About 4 to 5 years ago, we had asked you to complete about 10 hours of training. The two courses, almost identical courses to the ones that are on here, and those are acceptable. So it was health and safety basics, and it was a mandated reported child abuse and neglect training. And again, I believe there were 14 of you who completed that. But if you don't remember that, if you didn't complete it, this is where you will find the training, and this is paid training, so you will be paid to complete this training. Cool. Again, it'll be 10 hours, I believe 10 hours of training, and you'll be paid for that. All right, so you click on that, and you will find the health and safety course here, and you're going to select, and this can be a little confusing because it says you need to register for this. Begin date 5/16, end date 5/30. I thought it was a live course you had to register for, but it is not a live course. That is just the window that will be available for you to complete the course. So on 5/16, the date that course will open up, and you can complete it at your own pace. All right, so you're going to register for the event once you're ready to take the course. All right, and this one is the 8-hour course, doesn't cost anything. Register for the event. Here what I'm going to do, I'm going to register. Now I am registered, and I believe you will get information on that. Yep, I just got a notification. Thank you. You have successfully registered for the course. I just got the ding on my phone. And let's see here. And it says I will receive an email. Right, so no issues with that. Once you register, you will receive information. Okay, I just canceled the course because I already took these courses a few years ago. Okay. And that's that. So you have those two courses in there. All right, let me know how you do. Let me know if you have any questions. Text me, email me, and I would be really happy to help you out with this. But it's something that we have to get done within the next couple of months. I would say, before the end of school, to have us all registered and to have all the courses completed by the end of June. And I will talk to you soon.